Found NOD module files in your ESET NOD32 antivirus installation? These are component modules used by ESET security software for various protection features. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these ESET NOD32 module files do and how they function. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky NOD errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. A NOD file is a module or update file used by ESET NOD32 Antivirus and ESET Smart Security. These files contain critical data such as virus signature databases, program components, or configuration settings. Users typically encounter them in the ESET installation directory, as they are essential for the software's protection capabilities. The NOD file is a proprietary binary container, often compressed or encrypted, designed to protect its contents from tampering. This secure format ensures the integrity of antivirus definitions and program modules, preventing malware from disabling or corrupting the security software. The structure is optimized for fast loading and verification by the ESET engine. ESET NOD32 Antivirus from ESET should be your first choice when attempting to open NOD. Windows cannot verify the digital signature of this file type natively. Windows provides visibility but no safeguards, so careful review is needed before changing values. We're performing an initial check of the application compatibility. Right-click your NOD file and choose Open With. Test ESET NOD32 Antivirus first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often yields a surprisingly simple fix. If the NOD file is still giving you trouble, relax. Errors with the NOD format usually come down to a small critical detail. Let's review our checklist now and verify all necessary components. First, letting ESET manage files. NOD files are managed automatically by ESET NOD32. Never manually edit or delete them. Open the ESET application and check for updates through the Update menu. The software downloads and installs new NOD modules as needed, maintaining current virus definitions and program components without user intervention. Next, verifying module integrity. If ESET reports module errors, use the application's repair function. Open ESET Launch, the troubleshooting wizard, or run the ESET uninstaller tool from ECT.com. Reinstalling ESET ensures all NOD modules are properly downloaded and verified, rather than attempting manual repair which could compromise security. Finally, contacting ESET support. For persistent NOD module issues, contact ESET technical support at support.eset.com. Provide your license details, software version, and specific error messages. ESET specialists can diagnose module corruption authentication issues or update failures preventing your antivirus from functioning properly with appropriate technical solutions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.